Hello, how are you doing? You are welcome here. If you are new, please subscribe. It's free for you, but it helps us so much. If you have already subscribed, thank you for doing that. Uhawe ikaze hano, niba uri mushya ndagusabye kora subscribe n'ubuntu kuri wowe, ariko biradufasha cyane. Niba wararangije gukora subscribe, warakoze cyane kubikora. I love you. Ndabakunda cyane. Alright, welcome. Have you been waiting along? Umaze igihe kirekire utegereje? I have been here since morning. Narindi hano kuva mu gitondo. Do you know what time is it? Uzi aho igihe kigeze? It's almost 3. Ni nko mu masaa 9. Have you been waiting along? Umaze igihe kirekire utegereje? I have been here since morning. Narindi hano kuva mu gitondo. Can you put the light on? Wacana itara? Can you put the light on? Ushobora gucana itara? Yeah, no problem. Yego, nta kibazo. Do you want to watch a movie? Warashaka kureba filimi? No, I prefer football. Oya, mpisemo kureba umupira w'amaguru. Remember to subscribe for next part. We are together along. Can you put the light on? Ese wacana itara? Hano ni ikibazo cyo kukubwira ngo cyane itara igihe hari umwijima kugira ngo habashe kubona. Do you want to go for a drink sometime? Urashaka kigiye kimwe nza twazajya gufata kamwe? That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Icyo ni igitekerezo cy'inyamibwa. Icyo gitekerezo ni inyamibwa. Would you like to join me for a coffee? Wanyiyungaho tugasangira agakawa? Sounds great. Ndumva ari sawa. Do you want to go for a drink sometime? Thanks, a good idea. That is a good idea. Or do you like to join me for a coffee? Do you live on your own? Uribana? Do you live on own? I live with other person. Mbana n'undi muntu. What's your email address? Email yawe ni iyihe? I don't have one. Ntayo ngira. Nizere ko mukomeje kuryoherwa. Ndi Teacher Faustin, mukomeze kubana nanjye kuri Education Family TV. Mukande like, mukande share na subscribe. Murakomeza kuduha umusada, muraba mugeze neza. Where is the ticket office? Nihe batangira amatike? It's near that lady. Ni hafi y'uriya mumama. Why are you coming back? Kuki uri kugaruka? The flight has been cancelled. Urugendo twarusubitse. The flight has been cancelled. Urugendo rwasubitswe. When we say flight, no kugenda uguruka n'indege, nicyo bisobanuye. How long does your journey take? Urugendo rwawe ruratwara igihe kingana gite? It takes me 7 hours in a bus. Rumfata amasaha 7 ndi muri bus. Have you ever been to USA? Wari wagera muri Amerika, muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika? I have never been there, but I would love it. Sindahagera ariko ndabishaka cyane, ni ibintu nkunda nifuza gukora. Mwibuke gukanda subscribe, muduhereze ubufasha kugira ngo dukomeze kubakorera video ziboneye. Ngomeje kubashimira kandi Imana ibahe umugisha ku mwanya wanyu mwamwigomwe. Mwakoze kudukurikira, mukore like, mukore share, mukande na comment kubyo dushobora kongera no kunoza. Ndabashimiye. Ndi Teacher Faustin. Imana ibahe umugisha.